Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today we are going to talk about guys how to connect earphone to a Xiaomi phone. Guys, you want to connect your earphone to your Xiaomi phone, so as you can connect. And guys, now let's see how to connect earphone to our Xiaomi phone. Guys, in this video, guys, I will show you friends how to connect it. So before starting video, friends, I want to tell you guys if you're in my channel and you are watching my video guys first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel and guys click the bell icon and like my video. So friends, now let's start the video. Friends, first of all guys, open your phone setting to connect your earphones. Then guys click on your Bluetooth setting and guys on your head earphones. So guys, we will on it. This button guys we will on, and guys you can see this volume buttons. So as you can see this blue light means it's on, and guys we will on our Bluetooth also guys. And guys we refresh. Then guys you can see your earphone name. So guys click on your earphone name. Then guys you can see this notification here. Then guys tap here. Then it will connect. You can see wait. As you can see connected. As you can see your battery, and as you can see your active. So I hope friends you have understood how to connect earphone to our Xiaomi phone. So I hope friends you have understood. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. So guys, now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.